Alright, my friends, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to keep this one super short and sweet, so definitely watch some of the previously uploaded videos, as those are going to go more in depth than this one. This one, I just want to briefly go over my trade from today that I did on Tesla. I've been really busy the past few days, so I haven't had a chance to get a video out to you guys. And even today, I've been super busy, and I didn't have a chance to make the video, but now that I got a few minutes, I want to real briefly go over it for you guys. So, Tesla today. I had the alert on it. I sent it out at 6:33. I said Tesla calls could be a good play here, and I didn't post a screenshot or anything today. Just I haven't posted a screenshot in like the whole last week because, like I said, I've been trying to not post my screenshots as often or as much on like my Instagram story and Twitter and all that because I'm just trying to get myself out of the habit of doing that. I did that pretty much every single day for like 2 years straight on my Instagram story. So just trying to change things up a little bit and then also give people a reason to watch my YouTube videos, and everybody's going to get curious. Bijan hasn't been posting for a while. Did he lose all of his money? And then, they might come watch my YouTube videos just to see what's going on with the guy. So, I'm just trying new things out here. You guys know me. So anyways, 6:33 is when I got in the trade. Tesla calls could be a good play here. As a matter of fact, I can just show it to you here real quick. A little $535 profit, nothing too crazy. This trade, it was real rushed and real quick because I had a flat tire on my GTR, and well, I don't want to get into that because it really doesn't matter. It has nothing to do with this, even though it kind of does have something to do with this. All right, so here's the deal. I got a nail in the tire of my GTR, and GTRs don't have spare tires. So, and I don't have run flats on the car. So, and my luck, I had just put a brand new set of tires on the car like 2 weeks ago. Anyways, so I get a nail in the tire, and I don't have a spare, like I say. So, I have to get it to the tire shop, but I got the nail in the tire at night. So the tire shop's closed. So I went and I put air in my tire and I parked the car in my garage and I angled it so that the nail was facing down. Kind of like the weight of the car would maybe put pressure on it to kind of hold the PSI in as much as possible. So anyways, my whole point was the America's Tire Company right down the street from my house opened at 7 a.m. So I said, all right, hopefully the tire can, hold a little bit of PSI in it. As soon as I wake up in the morning and I'm done with trading and everything, I'm going to rush to the gas station, put air in it, and then rush to that America's Tire Company and get it all taken care of. That way I didn't have to get it towed there or anything, you know what I'm saying? Because I didn't have the run flats and I didn't have a spare tire. So that's why this trade was really rushed, was because I wanted to get it done as quick as possible. Like, time was of the essence. The more time goes by, the more flat the tire gets, and I don't want to drive it and mess up my rim. So anyways, long story short, like I said, it doesn't have anything to do with this, even though it kind of does. But this is where I got into the trade, 6:33. I got out of the trade at 7:01, which is right here. There's a few reasons why I got out of the trade. One, my strategies, my indicators, my things that I do told me it's time to get out. But at the same time, I had a rush. Like, I'm already getting out the house, getting ready to go. I'm doing this trade off of my phone and everything. So I guess, maybe I'll make the title of this video, Don't Trade with a Flat Tire. Because maybe if I had time to actually focus and sit there at the computer, maybe I would have caught the whole entire move. See what I'm saying, guys? Because I barely caught any of the move. I got in right here. Oh, wrong one. And it was a little $500 profit. Just keep that in mind here so you can see how much it really could have been. I just wanted to show this one more time before it hits. Oh, never mind. It's still there. Okay. Because I thought at like midnight on Eastern time it resets the whole entire account. Because one time I came to make a video at like 11 at night and I tried to show my profit and it was gone. It didn't show it anymore because it already reset for the next day. Anyways, so $500 profit. I got in here and I was out 7:01 was I placed my exit order, and it was nothing crazy. I was in it 10 contracts. I wasn't trying to get in it too crazy on my size because of the fact that I knew my attention wasn't there. I was busy like getting ready, trying to rush out to go. So that's the move that I caught. And that's the move that it would have made if I would have, you know, kept it to the highs. Even if I would have held it till the end of the day, let's just say. You see what I'm saying? But we never focus on that. We never think like that. You know why? Because there's going to come a time, and specifically I want you guys, after watching this video, I'm actually going to make it really quick now. I'm going to try and speed it up and wrap it up just so that you can go and watch this other one. There's a video I did before this one. I think it's about 19 minutes. And another one before that one that's 5 minutes. I believe it's an NVIDIA trade. And I think it's the title says something about take your profits. Watch that video after this. We never get caught up on the fact that, oh man, I only took this much profit when I could have made this much. First of all, realize it made this move. Yeah, the stock might have only moved like what, $3, $2, $3 for what I caught of the move. Let me clear all this so it looks nicer. But then it literally chopped and did nothing for an hour. See, check it out. Within less than 30 minutes, 6:33 to 7:01, I caught that $3 move. I would have been sitting in it for another hour before it did anything else. From 7 all the way till 8 before it did anything else. You know what I'm saying? So I wouldn't want to sit there staring at all the chop going around. So that's usually why I do my quick trades. But like I said, maybe if I had more time to focus, I would have closed out half of my trade and held half of it. Who knows? But my point that I'm trying to make here real briefly is never focus on it. What I'm trying to say is if my plan was get out at 305 or 306, I need to get out at 305 and 306. So if tomorrow my plan is, let's say the same trade, to get out at 305 or 306, I should not get emotional saying, oh man, but yesterday it went all the way to 313. I'm going to stay in it today because it might go to 313. No, don't do that. You stick to your plan, because if you don't, then what I talk about in that other trade that other video that I just told you guys to go look at, it's like a 5-6 minute long video, the take your profits one, that could happen to you. So this is why you always have to maintain that discipline and stay consistent with it. Because it's not every single time that, yeah, I got in here and got out here, but it went all the way up here. No, there's going to come times where you got in here and got out here, then it went all the way back down here. So take your profits. Don't get upset if it goes higher or anything like that. Yeah, that's pretty much that. So this video ended up being a lot longer than I wanted it to be. I wanted it to be another 5-minute video, but it's looking like it's about like maybe 10 minutes. So I'm going to wrap it up here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Nothing too crazy, just trying to show you guys, you know, what's possible again. Just giving you guys a little documentation is all that's going on here. You know, I like to document in one way or another what's going on with me. So, you know, if that means post a few videos here and there as much as I can, I'm going to try my best to do that. Yeah, that's really it. $500 profit in less than 30 minutes, and the trade cost about like somewhere between $2,000 to $3,000. So yeah, that's pretty much that, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. You know the deal. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, all that, and just have a great life. I'll talk to you soon.